Bob, before the show, I was searching around on social media and saw we may have a meteor shower coming our way.
Oh, we will. There's no doubt. The only thing is we'll be able to see it with the cloud cover. It looks like a pretty good chance of that happening, though. For the most part, it peaks, by the way, Sunday night, Monday morning. We could see 50 to 100. Yeah, it's right here. You can just screenshot this.
Oh, there you go. Perfect.
50 to 100 meteors an hour. It peaks early Sunday morning, and looks like Sunday night, Monday morning, I should say. And we are looking anywhere in the sky. So you don't have to look at one particular place to see these. And this is usually the best one of the year. There's about over a dozen a year of these meteor showers. This one comes from the Swift-Tuttle comet. It left behind debris many, many years ago, and we kind of passed through that, and we see these meteor showers. You can also see a pretty good chance of seeing a fireball with these as well. ABC 7 tower cam showing the big sun going down below the horizon here. Pretty nice. You can see some clouds building off in the distance. There's a chance for some overnight showers. That's right. We could see some morning storm sunset photos sent in, and they were pretty nice. This one was 3 miles out. Catherine sending this one in, out boating and maybe doing some fishing out there. Venice Jetty, Suzanne getting this one. And Cindy Desmond, who sent a nice photo of all the manatees a couple days ago. This from CS Key. She said there was no real irritation of the red tide there, but she did see some dead fish still. And that's what it is. The dead fish still kind of washing around with the tide coming in and out, moving all over the place. A few morning coastal showers are possible. That's the weather headlines. And then inland storms later in the day like we saw today. And then look for a possibility of a tropical system developing. The chance of that happening, though, very small at 20%, is way out there in the central, south central Atlantic. Well, high pressure has been positioned out down to the south of us. We're seeing these showers over the northeast Gulf of Mexico and some activity near Charlotte Harbor and Fort Myers this evening. A couple of showers well offshore. Those are moving in our direction, but we have had a little bit of rainfall just near Venice about a half hour ago. That has since moved on for the most part. You see that little lone shower right there, just kind of pops up in the frames and then dissipates. So some overnight showers are possible, not a lot, and then the morning coastal activity will really get going, I think, late morning, early afternoon. This upper level low is spinning away. You can see it's taking a lot of the dry air with it, and we're starting to moisten up a bit. So our rain chance is a little bit higher on Saturday and then again on Sunday, but most of that should be inland, away from the coast, although we will see a few showers in the morning with this kind of setup that we're seeing. And it doesn't change much. That wind direction will stay out of the west anywhere from 5 to 10 miles an hour throughout the day on Saturday and continuing on Sunday, and not much of an east wind at all. Well, there are the morning showers starting to pop up, 3:30 a.m. and then even at 7:30, just around sunrise, we'll see a few scattered storms. But notice the intensity starts to pick up as you push inland as these storms head off to the east. Same thing goes for Sunday morning, a few showers around, and then the bulk of the heavy rainfall should be inland, pushing off toward the east coast there. Well, as far as the GOES satellite imagery is concerned, we're watching this area right here. Not much to it at all. As I said, a 20% chance of it developing into something over the next 5 days. Winds shear very strong throughout that region, so we don't anticipate much with it. Temperature is still very warm at this hour, and that's what you get with this west wind. Temperatures now in the low 80s, and it looks like that will continue for the next several nights at least. Currently, we have not sunshine, but a few clouds around. The heat index at 90, and the high today 90 degrees, right at the average, but our low was unseasonably warm, and that's due to that west wind. The satellite imagery showing a lot of clouds and showers over the southeast, but nothing too severe going on with the exception of the heat problem out west and in the northwestern United States, where temperatures will once again soar to near 100 degrees in Idaho and even the eastern sections of Washington and Oregon. For boaters tomorrow, light chop out there, not a big problem. Seas will be running less than 2 feet, and the extended forecast then calling for a 30% chance for a few coastal showers tomorrow, 40% chance for inland storms tomorrow. Those will be a little bit stronger, and then we'll see that a rain chance increase for the morning near the coast on Sunday. Monday, same story, and then a little drier air slips in on Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll get back to a southeast wind on Thursday and Friday of next week. Jacqueline?
All right, Bob, thank you.